Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting waxy potatoes for a creamy, cohesive salad. Why that matters is texture and how well they hold shape. Once chosen, cut into uniform 1-2-inch cubes so they cook evenly. Make sure to start them in cold, salted water to avoid mushy exteriors. Bring to a simmer and time 10-12 minutes until fork tender but not falling apart. While they cook, prepare aromatics and a basic dressing so you can combine hot potatoes with room temperature components quickly. You now assemble the dressing and understand both how and why each ingredient matters for balance. Whisk 1/2 cup mayo with 2 tablespoons mustard and 2 tablespoons vinegar, then season. The acid brightens, mustard stabilizes, and mayo binds. Once potatoes are drained and slightly warm, fold them gently into the dressing so they absorb flavor without turning pasty. Then fold in celery, diced onion, and chopped herbs. Taste and adjust acidity or salt as needed to lift the overall profile. You finish by chilling the salad so flavors meld. Plan for at least 1 to 2 hours for best texture and depth. Before serving, give it a final taste and adjust. Add chives, a sprinkle of paprika, or chopped pickles for crunch and brightness. If you need to serve sooner, cool quickly over an ice bath, then refrigerate briefly. If the salad is too dry, add a tablespoon or 2 of vinegar or mayo. If too wet, fold in a small handful of warm potato flakes to absorb excess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.